Today we are going to be making vegan fried rice. And for that you'll need the following ingredients. You'll need some brown rice. I'm going to be using the brown rice. You can use white if you want it. I'm using 2 cups. You also need frozen veggies. I'm using a mix of carrots, peas, corn, and some beans. I'm going to be using 3 cups of these frozen vegetables. You also need a couple of cloves of garlic. I'm going to be using 4 cloves. You'll need a sauce. I'm using tamari. I'm going to be using 4 tablespoons of the tamari. We're gonna also need a large onion, some oil, and I'm going to be using a bunch of basil. But you can use the greens of your choice. Let's get started. Start from washing your rice. Add it to your pot. Add the water. Make sure to cover your rice about 3 centimeters over the top of the rice. You want a little bit more water than you would normally use for your white rice. Put it on your stove. On high for now. And then when the water is gonna start boiling, we'll decrease it to 3 or 4. Add just a tiny touch of oil in the water to make your rice a little bit more falling apart. Prepare your veggies for thawing. Add some water and leave it for now. Wow, let's turn down the heat. In the meantime, prepare your onion and your garlic. Wash and separate the leaves from the stems of your basil. Tear in half some of the larger leaves. Chop the stems, we'll use them too. I'm going to discard the tougher ones. Strain your veggies when they thaw. About 20 minutes later, I'm checking my rice. Maybe half an hour later, I'm checking my rice and I see that it's cooked through when I taste it. So let's start preparing everything we need and finishing the dish. Bring your skillet, set it on medium, add some oil, add your onions in, saute until a bit brownish on the sides. If you want to achieve a nice stripes like I have here on the wooden surface, leave your spatula on the burner. Dump in your veggies. Add your stems of the basil if you preserved some. Add your garlic. Add your leeks. And your rice. Mix well. I just had a brilliant idea to add some turmeric on top, so it's gonna color our rice into yellowish. Add your 4 tablespoons of soy sauce or tamari, whichever you prefer. Mix well. Test for salt. Mine is good enough. Enjoy it! If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Make sure to click the bell icon beside the subscribe button to be notified about all new videos or live stream.